We left off last time talking about sentence flow, and this is something that when I was clerking for Judge Dorsey and Judge Gordon, they both really stressed. And so one way to understand sentence flow is by reading this, Mr. Hartunian.
If your sentences flow, then chances are your ideas will flow. And if your ideas flow, people are much more likely to understand you. And if people understand you, they are much more likely to be persuaded by you.
And it's something that with both Judge Dorsey and Judge Gordon, Mr. Tellegen, this is something I've never heard either of them say in response to a motion.
This motion is so confusing. I think I'll grant it.
Right? It's a sense of what you want to do with your writing is make it very clear. If the judge is confused, they're very unlikely to be persuaded by you. And it's the same thing with your professors here. The sense of the writing that you do in exams or on papers, Mr. Tellegen, I've never heard a professor here say this.
This exam is so confusing. I think I'll give it an A.
Right, and it's the sense of what you really want to do is make it seem like they've learned something when they're reading your writing, that it's so easy to go through as if they're being led by a really good guide.